now we are going to see date function in JavaScript. First of all, we have two type of date method. First, here you can see get and another is set, and this is used to print the date in string format. Okay, now get is used to print or get date, means get the value of the date. Okay, and set is used to set the date. You can Okay, we can set the date with the help of set method and get or print the date with the help of get method. Okay, now we will see how we can practically implement these functions. Okay, now we are going to practically implement date function. Okay, for that we have to just declare var, give any name, now equals to, here we use new keyword, and after that date. We declare date type, that's why we use this date function. Okay, now after that we can directly print now to see the detail of all the now date. Let's do that. Document dot write, and it is a client side language. JavaScript is a client side language, that's why it not pick the date from server, it pick from our local machine. Now we use now, and let's save. You can see today is Tuesday and November is the current month and 15 is the today's date, and we have 2022. Okay, now after that this is the current time and this is the locational. You can understand if you know in your mobile phone also you can see this type of thing. Okay, now after that we have function to date string. Now we use to date string in a new variable. For example, where a equals to now dot to date string, and after that we have to provide this, and now we print a. Let's say you can see today is Tuesday. Now it is much more readable form. Okay, now after that we have get fully. After that we have getFullYear, we can use here, and after that we get the full year. If we want full month, we just provide get month, and let's save. You can see this is the 11th month, but in JavaScript our month start from 0. January is 0 and February is 1 and so on. That's why if this month is December, it will print 11. Okay, now after that we have get day. Okay, just we have to use camel case date. Let's say today is 15. Okay, now after that we have get day. Now let's say you can see today is Tuesday and it print 2 because it start from Sunday, and take Sunday as a 0, and then Monday is 1, Tuesday is 2. Okay, now after that we have the function get month, get day, get hour and second. We can also do that get hour, get hour. Now let's say you can see the current time of my machine is 1:33. That's why it print 13. And after that we have get minute. Now let's save. It is 33 now. Okay. Now after that we have get second. In second, let's say first. This is 41 second. If I refresh, it will give you each second. It will change its value. Okay. After that we have milliseconds. And let's save. You can see if I refresh, it will give you millisecond value. Okay. After get method, we have set method. For that, we directly use now and then dot and set, and after that date. And here we provide, if I want to know which day is on 30. Now let's say it is the past time. It will tell you that 13 was Sunday, and this will the time, and it take the current time. Okay, this is the current time. And after set date, we have set full year. Full year. Here I provide 2024. Now let's say you can see, now you can see Friday November 15 is 2024 current date in 2 year after. If I want 2020, 2020, now let's say it was Sunday on 15th of November on 2020. Okay. Similarly, you can set. Okay. And after that year, we have set month. Set month. And here we provide any month you can, but just make sure if you want to fourth month, then you provide 3. Now let's say you can see April is the fourth month, but it shows us in the 3 index. Okay, Friday, April, this was the day and time. Okay, after month we have set hour. We can similarly set the hour. For example, now we can set hour, just provide set hours and provide the time you want. For example, if I want for 16, let's say it will give us 16. If I provide 23, it is at the night time. Okay, similarly you can provide minute, second. Okay, similarly you can set hour, minute, seconds. Okay, so that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.